Okay, time to take out the R&D moisture meter. So it comes with a carrying pouch, and we've got the moisture meter itself, and we got our user guide. On the back, that's nice, it actually comes with a 9-volt battery. I also like that this is in the screw style, so I need to get a screwdriver to change that out. We got some rubber padding here on the side, so that we got something we can grip onto. Power. Look, that is a nice full color display. Okay, we got a flashlight. We can kind of see what we're doing. And then we got mode, so right now it is on wall, masonry, softwood, hardwood, and wall. Cool, and we can hold it. So if we need to take this number and we need to go show somebody, we can actually do that. We can see we got this gauge here on the side as well as on the top. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just putting my hand closer to it and further away. So we know at the very least that this thing is working and it can read at a distance. So this is showing 35% drying. If I bring it closer, we got mid, so it's moist, but it's not really wet. And then we bring it all the way up. Now we are at wet. And I really like having that beeping noise on there just to have that extra indicator. So I'm going to attempt to do a test. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I want to see what the results are going to be. So I've got a towel. And get that wet. So we are fairly soppy. I'm going to put that on the back of this drywall. So over here we're at about 3%. If I bring it over closer to the towel, now we're at about 10%. So that does read it through a 1/2 inch thick of drywall, on drywall that was dry that just had a towel put on the back. So that is awesome. We can actually use this to find out if we got water leaks going on behind drywall. So that is an awesome tool. So overall, I am very happy with that.